Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create an online bank account. You can use it in the business online because some of the website requires US bank account and you are not in the US, so you can create one in this website. So it is worldwide and all you have to do is click here, sign up and earn $25. Then you will see this interface. Select company or individual. If you have a company, select company, otherwise select individual. Type your first name here and your last name, email address, and re-enter the email and your date of birth. Then click next. So here the contact details. All you have to do is select fill this information, your country, state, and address, line 1, your city, and postal zip code, postal code, then your mobile number. Then you will get a verification code here. Then click next. Okay, the security details. Type your username, password, security question, and security answer. Country of ID, then social security number. Then type the code below. Then click next. This is the last step. Almost done. Select personal account, or if you have a company, select company account. Bank country, select bank country and the currency. Bank name, account number, routing number, then account type. Then select these two, click it to these two, I agree. Then click submit. Congratulations, Payoneer account application has been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. So application is complete. Now is the review in the process. You will receive an email confirmation. You have to confirm your email within the next several business days. Once your application has been reviewed, then you will receive payment. Once your application is approved. You will receive an email confirmation and can begin receiving payment to your account. So now log into your account. Type your email or username, then type your password. Okay, once you sign in, you will see this page. This is your account number or customer ID. If you want to add your bank account to transfer from your bank account to your Payoneer account, or from Payoneer account to your bank account. So you go to setting and click bank account. Then you can add your bank account here by clicking here by clicking this add bank account. Then you can add your bank, so you can transfer your money from here to your bank account. Also, you can link your PayPal account by PayPal account to your Payoneer account, so you can transfer from Payoneer to PayPal or from PayPal to your Payoneer account. Now I'm gonna walk you guys through the step-by-step process and how to go about setting up PayPal account. Right now I'm on PayPal homepage. All you have to do is click here, sign up, and you will see this page. So the first thing you need to decide is whether you are gonna choose personal account or a business account. The vast majority of you guys are probably going to be going with the personal account. For those who might want to go with the business account, it's gonna be if you are selling goods or service with this PayPal account, or if you are gonna be accepting donations. Those are the situation where you probably want to go with that business PayPal. But the personal account is gonna be great for buying goods or services yourself online, as well as having you get the opportunity to transfer funds between your own PayPal account and friends and family at no fee charge to you. To you when you are transferring those funds. It's also a great way to hook up credit card or debit card, bank account, all to that PayPal account. So you have different options for paying for things online. You can also transfer funds around between those accounts as well. So a personal account, what the majority of you guys are gonna go with. So we are going to go ahead and click sign up for a free personal account and click next. You will see this page, and all you have to do is type your email and your legal first name and your legal last name and create your own password and confirm your own password. Then click next. So the next page is type your address here, city and state, your zip code, and your phone number, and check mark this one and click agree and create an account. So this is the last step. As you can see here, just link your card so you can shop, add your debit or credit card number, expiration date, and CSC. Then click link card. Here we go. This is the check mark here showing that it was successful in linking that card, and now it's set up ready to use for shopping and sending money. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe eCash channel. See you in the next video.